Do you know that up to 1 billion people worldwide are vitamin D deficient and most don't even realize it? Vitamin D is often known as sunshine vitamin, but its power goes far beyond supporting your bones. Vitamin D is one of the essential nutrients we often overlook, but it plays a huge role in our overall health. From supporting bone health to boosting our immune system, getting enough vitamin D is crucial. In this video, you will discover 7 surprising health benefits of vitamin D that could literally change your life, especially if you are feeling tired, moody, or constantly getting sick. Stick around till the end because I will share natural ways to boost your vitamin D level safely and effectively. Vitamin D boosts your immune system. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in activating your body immunity defenses. It helps your white blood cell fight off bacteria and viruses more effectively. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to increased risk of cold, flu, and even respiratory infection. Vitamin D is the master regulator of your immune system. It aims your T cell and macrophage. It is not a magic shield, but it equips your immune army properly. Vitamin D boosts your mood and fights depression. Feeling low or constantly tired? Vitamin D is directly linked to your mood and mental well-being. It helps regulate serotonin, the hormone that makes you feel good. People with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to suffer from depression, anxiety, and mood swing. Research has shown that vitamin D supplement may ease depressive symptoms, especially in those who are deficient. Some clinical trials shows high-dose vitamin D supplementation significantly improve depressive symptoms, sometimes as effectively as certain antidepressants, support healthy bone and teeth. This one is not surprising, but it is too important to skip. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bone and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, even if you consume calcium, your body won't absorb it properly. This can lead to brittle bone, fracture, and conditions like osteoporosis. It reduces the risk of chronic disease. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to a range of chronic illness, including heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancer. It is believed to reduce inflammation and help regulate blood pressure. Some studies also suggest it plays a role in preventing autoimmune disease like multiple sclerosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Support healthy pregnancy. If you are pregnant or planning to be, listen to this. Vitamin D is essential for a healthy pregnancy. It supports baby's bone development and immune system. Low levels in pregnancy have been linked to gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, and low birth weight. Promote weight loss and metabolism. Trying to lose weight, vitamin D may help. Studies show that individuals with higher level of vitamin D tends to have healthier body weight. It also plays a role in how your body stores and uses fat and may influence hormones that controls appetite and metabolism. Enhances brain function. Here is the one many people don't know. Vitamin D is good for your brain. It supports nerve health and may help protect against cognitive decline, memory loss, and even dementia. It is a key player in keeping your mind sharp as you age. Vitamin D is a neuroprotective. Receptors are found throughout the brain. It fights neuroinflammation and clears amyloid plaque linked to Alzheimer's. Additional tips: diabetes management ally. Vitamin D enhances your insulin sensitivity. This means how well your cells respond to insulin. Low level correlates with higher risk of type 2 diabetes and worsen blood sugar control in diabetes. It also supports better cell function in the pancreas, where insulin is made. Vitamin D is a crucial factor in metabolic health beyond just diet and exercise, muscle strength, and fall prevention. Beyond bone, vitamin D is essential for muscle protein synthesis and function. It improves muscle strength, contraction speed, and recovery. This is huge for preventing frailty and falls. In older adults, strong muscles need strong vitamin D. Heart health guidance. Your heart loves vitamin D. It helps regulate blood pressure by managing renin, a kidney enzyme, reduce inflammation in arteries, and improve endothelial functions. How well blood vessels relax. Observational studies shows people with low vitamin D have a significantly higher risk of heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. It is not a replacement for exercise or a good diet, but it is a vital piece of the cardiovascular puzzle. Cancer risk modulator. This is powerful, but why not a cure? Vitamin D plays a role in cell growth regulation and differentiation. It helps ensure cell grows normally and may trigger programmed cell death in damaged cells. Signs you may be deficient. Now, you may be wondering, am I getting enough? Common signs of vitamin D deficiency include fatigue and tiredness, frequent cold or infection, bone and back pain, mood changes, muscle weakness. If you experience this often, it is worth getting your vitamin D level tested. How to get more vitamin D naturally. Sunlight. 10 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight a few times a week can help your body produce vitamin D naturally. Food rich in vitamin D like salmon, tuna, sardine, egg yolk, fortified milk, and mushroom. Supplement, especially winter or you don't get enough sun. Supplement may be necessary. Always check with a healthcare provider. So vitamin D isn't just about avoiding rickets. It is a fundamental pillar of whole body health, impacting your immunity, mood, heart, brain, cancer risk, metabolism, and muscles. If you take away one thing, get your level checked. It is a simple step with potentially life-changing benefits. Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.